friends, welcome to Little Ukes. My name is Jessica and I'm so excited to be your ukulele teacher today. For those of you who are just joining us, Little Ukes is a series of daily ukulele lessons for kids ages 4 and up. I hope this will be a great activity for your whole family to enjoy while we're learning at home. Today we're going to be learning a new chord called F add 9 and exploring how we can actually change chords in rapid succession and even in a song. So let's take a closer look and get started. If you've been following along with me, so far we've learned several chords. We have learned the C major chord. I play this with my index finger right now. You may have already learned this another way, like this. That's perfectly fine too. For now, I'm going to be using my index finger. C major can be played by placing a finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string of the A string. We also learned C7, which has a nice spicy kick to it, by putting our 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string of the A string. Here's C7. So today we're going to be learning F add 9, where we go right next door from this blue sticker, which was C7, to this green sticker. That's F add 9. We're going to take our 1st finger, put it on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and it should sound like that. If you're getting this sound when you're playing, it might be because this finger is accidentally touching the A string as well. So when we play this chord, we have to be extra careful to kind of make a C shape or a round shape with our hand so that we don't accidentally smush the 1st string as well. We really only want to play the 2nd string and let that 1st string ring with no finger on it. It sounds like that. I love that chord. So let's go ahead and explore what it's like when we change from chord to chord. So can you start on an F add 9 chord and strum with me? And you hop across to C7 when I give a big nod. It's unmistakable. You'll definitely know when it's time. Could you follow that? Let's change back to the 1st chord when I nod. Alright, start changing a little more often. I'm going to be a little sneaky. See if you can follow me when those chord changes happen. If you could follow along with that, bravo. That's a really great skill to have, kind of playing by ear and also looking at another musician and following their visual cues when they're playing. That really comes in handy when we collaborate, when we play as a team, or when we play in any kind of band or ensemble. Being able to watch someone else and play with them is a great skill to have. So we're going to be using that exact same technique to play a lot of songs this week that have 2 chords. And when I play the song with you and we sing and strum, I'll be using that nod to show where the chord changes happen so you know exactly when you move from an F add 9 chord to a C7 chord. So the activity that I recommend that you try and you're practicing today is take those 3 chords. Let me come closer so we can see what they are one last time. C major, C7, and F add 9. And try them in some different combinations. That's called a chord progression. And see which chords you think go really nicely back to back, if you like a certain order of them. And I think that you'll find you can make some beautiful music that way, as well as reviewing your chords. Happy practicing, and I look forward to playing with you again soon.